We are live, we are live, we are live, we are live, we are live. We are live, we are live, we are live, we are live. What's up, guys? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? At least we live, we live. Guys, like and share with someone. Leave a like on the live and share with someone. Leave a like on the live and share with someone. Please leave a like on the live and share with someone. Leave a like on the live and share with someone. Let's get at least 200 people here and watching. Check. Can you guys hear me clearly? Please let me know if you can hear me clearly. Let me know if you can hear me clearly. Just put the fire emoji or the thumbs up emoji if you can hear me clearly. Please put the fire emoji or the thumbs up emoji if you can hear me clearly. Okay, people say loud and clear, loud and clear. That's good, that's good, that's good. Loud and clear. That's good, that's good, that's good. That's good. Loud and clear, loud and clear. Okay. Let me do a shout out to a couple of traders, all right? So guys, please let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you are joining me from so that I can do a shout out to a couple of traders. So just write your country and the flag. Country and your flag. Just your country and your flag. Just your country and your flag. Please let me know when you join, where you're joining us from. Just your country and your flag. Okay, I'm going to be doing a shout out to a couple of traders. That's why I'm saying that. Let me see if let me just make sure everything is recording on my screen, because I'm going to be sharing a lot with you guys today. So let me just make sure everything is recording. Everything is recording. Okay. Yes. I think everything is recording as planned. Okay, today's profit. Already that one. And then we're going to use this one. I don't have a trade on Nasdaq on this one. All right, I'm going to check the one that has Nasdaq. Okay. Shout out to Michael from Nigeria. Shout out to Vuyisile. Vuyisile, how are you doing today from South Africa? Where in South Africa are you? Are you in Joburg? Are you in Gauteng? Are you in Cape Town? Are you in Northwest? Mpumalanga? Where are you in South Africa? Botswana in the room. Shout out to adoption of passive income. Okay. Rwanda in the room. Shout out to you. We have a lot of people in the room. India in the room. E-wallet. E-wallet, what's that? What country is this? E-wallet is not a country. Uganda in the room, shout out to you. Zambia, Ghana, wow. Mvuleni, South Africa, perfect. Swaziland in the room. Giving Abdul, how are you doing? Where are you in Swaziland? Where are you in Swaziland? For you guys who don't know, Swaziland is the same as Eswatini. All right, Swaziland is the same. Eswatini is the new name. Swaziland is the same as Eswatini. All right. So where are you in Eswatini? Are you in Stegi? Are you in Mzanzi? Mzanzi, I think Manzini something. UAE, Sese. Shout out to you. Kenya in the room. Oh, yo, we have too many people right here. Too many people. UAE and Cameroon. Mulwa Bride, how are you doing today? Okay, it's also from Cameroon. Okay. Comment allez-vous? Comment ta journée est passée? Mulwa Bride. Tembisa, Leo FX, Tembisa. Oh, okay. Tembisa is in South Africa. In Tembisa, I remember when I used to live in Midrand. Tembisa was back then. It was my girlfriend who is my wife. So my wife used to they had another branch of their business in Tembisa. So I used to go there sometimes to pick her up. So I know Tembisa very well. Back then, around 2019, about 6 years ago. Mention my name, boss. Okay. Balogun. Olamilekan. Shout out to you. Nemi Emma, c'est comment? Comment allez-vous? Comment ta journée est passée? Tu es où? Tu es à Boya, tu es à Douala, Yaoundé, Bafoussam, Chang, tu es où? Okay. Ooh, a lot of beautiful people in the room. Dansky from England. From England. I remember I was in England about 3 months ago, and I had to rush back home because I had a lot of business to do back home. I was in what's this place again called? I was in London. After London, we went to Newcastle. After Newcastle, we went to Wales. After Wales, we went to Scotland, Edinburgh, Scotland. So we're in Scotland for almost about 2 weeks, and then we took our return trip back home. We might return again very soon. Our visa is valid for a longer period of time. So don't be surprised tomorrow you see me again in UK. No, we have a lot of people in the room. Anyway, guys, I'm glad to see you guys show comments on stage. What's the meaning of show comment on stage? What's the meaning of this? Live comments from viewers who appear on screen during your stream. Oh, yeah, I've seen it. Oh, perfect. Do you guys see something? There's a new feature from StreamYard. Do you guys like it? Should I leave it like that, or we should remove it? Now you can see the comments on the side of the screen. Not just on the comments section, you can see the comments on the side of the screen. Whoa, I'm just testing. It's actually still a better version from StreamYard because I'm using StreamYard. So should we leave it like that, or it's kind of distracting you guys? Let me know. Let me know if we should leave it there or it's kind of distracting. Okay. So many people are saying we should leave it like that. It's kind of cool because it displays all the comments by the side of the screen. It's kind of cool. It's cool. It's nice. That's nice. Okay. So our session for today is simple, guys. We're going to be doing, even if you see on the message that is passing, it's more like a beginner live session. All right. So beginner live session. If you have any question, you can ask. So to even begin the live session, who am I? Who is this person sitting here and claiming to do a live session or having a YouTube channel of 700,000 subscribers in the niche of Forex trading. You guys know how difficult it is to have 1,000 people, 1,000 subscribers in the niche of Forex trading. It's very difficult. So who am I? Who am I? My name is Ndemaza Godlove. I'm originally from Cameroon, but I reside in many countries. South Africa, UAE, UK. So I'm a citizen of the world, right? So yeah, I'm originally from Cameroon, but I don't live in Cameroon. I live out of Cameroon. I'm presently broadcasting live from Johannesburg, South Africa. I've been trading Forex for 10 years, got into Forex trading end of 2024, end of 2014, going to 2015. So this is actually my 10th year of trading Forex. The 10-year anniversary is obviously going to be very big. It took me 3 years to be profitable in Forex trading, 3 years of trying to figure out everything on my own, 3 years of trying to navigate an industry where I was the pioneer, because back in 2014, 2015, there was no one back in Cameroon that was trading Forex. There was no one back in Cameroon that was even interested in Forex trading. So I was alone. I was trying to figure out everything on my own. So it took me 3 years to be profitable. For the first year, it was just everything on my own. Second and third year, I actually enrolled in an institution from the United Kingdom known as Apari Fund. So it was a hedge fund. All right. So I was trained by an institution. I was trained at the institutional level. All right. So this institution trained me for almost about 2 years, and that's when I got a mentor. I got showed what was working, and that's how I became profitable, and the rest is history. So I'm here to answer your questions. Currently, I have the biggest YouTube channel in Africa in terms of Forex and in terms of finance. I currently run one of the most successful and fastest growing Forex mentorship at Godlove University. And we also have an investment program, which is through a hedge fund. Remember, I was trained by a hedge fund. So I can be able to run one, which is going to be mutually beneficial for both our investors and our company. So we also have a UAE-based and registered, and licensed hedge fund. So if you're someone who is interested in investing, if you're someone who is interested in allowing us to trade for you, then you can always check our hedge fund. The link will always be on the video description. That's the only investment that's the only investment you guys will ever hear me talk about, because it's licensed and regulated. And you have a video call with my team, including myself, before you will be on board in the investment program. Beside that, anyone DMing you, I will never DM you. That's a disclaimer. I will never DM you. I will never DM you promoting my product. I will never DM you promoting investment scheme, Bitcoin. These I will never. If anyone is DMing you, sending you a telegram claiming to be me, it's 100% a scam. All right, it's 100% a scam. So please don't fall for all these scams. I will never do that. I have only one Telegram community. Which you're going to find the link on this video description. If it's not on my video description, then it's a scam. Full stop. If you can't find the link on my video description or on the link tree on my verified social media, my social medias have the blue tick. So there's always a link tree there. And if you don't find that service on that link tree, it's a scam. We recently got a lady from USA who was scammed of $56,000. She sent her money to someone thinking it was me. I will never ask you that. I will never do that. All right. So please don't fall for all these scams. The impersonators are too much. The more we delete the accounts, the more we try to ban them, the more they try to bring more of their schemes, the more they try to create more accounts using my pictures, using my content to scam people. All right. So please, I just wanted to make that very clear. And as a disclaimer, Forex trading is a risky industry. You shouldn't afford to risk. You shouldn't risk what you can afford to lose. Past performance do not guarantee future results. So please always do your own due diligence, and everything I share on my live is for educational purposes, and I'm not your financial advisor. Just wanted to take that out of the way as well. You know, I'm in the financial niche, and you know there are rules we need to follow. Okay, so that is that. The purpose of this session, like I said, just to for for beginner Forex traders. We're also going to be doing analysis along the way. Going to be answering all your questions. If you're just thinking of getting into Forex trading, or you just started and you haven't found your way yet, that's the reason why I'm here. I'm also going to be talking about Golub University, which is where you're going to get my mentorship, which is where I'm going to mentor you A to Z. We're also going to touch a little bit on Patrex Pro, which is a 4-year in a row award-winning, most profitable Forex robot. And then we'll also talk about a lot of things. So just a lot of things. Any question on this comment section, I'm going to be touching on that particular question. Live to live. This is Ndemazi Golub. You are seeing me live. This is me. All right. So live, one-to-one. I'm going to make sure I answer all those questions. Okay. So to even proceed, guys, please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Please. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Let's get the video to at least 200 viewers and at least 150. If you get 200 people watching, we should get 200 people who have liked the video. It's just obvious, guys. Like the video, share with someone, get someone to watch this with you guys. Trust me, you're going to learn something. That person is going to learn something. We're going to put it under 1 hour. So trust me, sacrifice this 1 hour and you will never regret. My PA gave me some sweet, and it's actually going to help me a lot. I'm sure most of you guys know this sweet. So most of the time, I shot a long form video in the morning, and I also shot some TikToks in the morning. It's 10:47 in South Africa, and I've done a lot for today already. So okay, so let me see some questions you guys are having on the comment section. Prophet Joshua. So Prophet, he said, I don't know anything about Forex trading. Okay. So if you are like Prophet Joshua, who doesn't know anything about Forex trading, there are 2 ways you can start. Way number 1 is with my free YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, there's a playlist I created. I don't know who is watching this video, who is on this live, who has checked. Please, and don't spam the comment section, please. We have a software in place which, if you are spamming the comment section or spamming, if you are spamming the comment section, that software is going to delete you from the live. So if you drop your question 1-2 times, you don't need to keep dropping. I'm going to obviously see it. All right, I'm going to see it. You don't need to keep dropping your question. I'm going to obviously see it. So yes, if you are like Prophet Joshua and you don't know how to start in Forex trading, there are 2 ways. I have a free playlist on my YouTube channel with almost about 80 videos, which I created about 3 years ago, the moment I entered in YouTube. That's why my YouTube channel now is on 700,000 subscribers, but it was rated the fastest growing YouTube channel. All right. So if you don't want to get in my mentorship program, if you don't want me to mentor you one-on-one, start with my YouTube channel. Check that free playlist. It's going to show you everything from A to Z. All right. And then maybe as you go ahead, you can then join Golub University, which is where I'm going to trade one-on-one with you. I'm going to mentor you with my 10 years of experience. Or if you just want to go, if you are now on a serious, if you are someone who wants to take it serious, then obviously I'll recommend Golub University. All right, you can always check the link on the video description. In Golub University, that's where you're going to be my mentee. We're going to trade together. I'm going to show you exactly how I make money in Forex trading, and I'm going to guide you towards the whole process of trading. And by the time you're graduating, you'll be graduating with a Profit account ready to go live. So that's Golub University. Those are the 2 options you can use to get started with Forex trading. So Prophet Joshua, I hope that's clear. If you have any other question concerning that, please drop it on the comment section. The program isn't working on MT5. Yes, we already explained this. Lionheart funding program is currently paused because we are outsourcing a new MT5 server. All right. The communication was already passed across. It's not like we're doing anything blindly. So all traders were already notified. So we can't bring the services to you guys if you guys don't have a platform to trade. And we need to work according to some of these service license and regulations. So we are outsourcing a new server for MT5. So in the meantime, LFP is paused. And we're going to be able to communicate once LFP is up and running. Okay, how can I join the Discord community? The link is already on the video on the comment section, so you can use that link to join the Discord community. Okay, Let me just quickly put my heater on. Yo, my legs are actually frozen inside my shoes. So let me put my heater on. Okay. How do you choose stocks? I don't trade stocks. I trade Forex. All right. I'm a Forex trader. I don't trade stocks. I focus on Forex. If you have any question on Forex, I'll be happy to assist. Master, I'm just a beginner. I've lost a lot of money. I wish to join Golub University. Is there any discount for the beginner like us who is powerless financially? I don't know. I don't know if we have a discount for now. We don't have a discount for Golub University because the cost is already even at its lowest. All right. If you have the advantage to join Golub University now, you should join because very soon the price is going to be going up. We have a lot of updates on the back end, which once we rule out those updates, the price is definitely going to be going up. Okay. Where can I get that share? So I got this one here by there's a shopping. I got this one by 4 Ways More, South Africa. Okay, I got this one 4 Ways More, South Africa. This share is almost about 3 years old, 2022. It's almost about 3 years old. I got this. I stopped using it after some time. Then again, I used to use that big comfortable one, right? Then sometimes when I want to feel electric, this one has a lot of. When I want to feel electric, I use this one as well. It has a lot and a lot. I bought this. I think it was 7,000 rand. 7,000 rand, 4 Ways More. So my TBD. Lucky if you're in South Africa, just go to 4 Ways More, and there's a shop by game. Just before game, you're gonna see like a gaming shop, all right, a gaming shop. But you can get it in other place, just in a gaming chair or most gaming chairs. Although it's rare, it's very, very rare to find this one with the lightings and all of that. It's very, very rare. Okay. Let's see. Since I'm new to trading, I've been doing the demo and I'm good at choosing stocks. So please tell me how to trade Forex. Okay, that's what I'm already telling you. If you are watching me for the first time, there are 2 ways you can start Forex trading. Number one is using my free YouTube channel, almost about 700,000 subscribers. So just check a playlist. That playlist is Forex Beginner to Pro playlist, all right? That's the first place to start. Then if you want to take it more serious and you want me to be your mentor, all right? If you want me to be your mentor, then check out Golub University. That's my Forex Academy where I'll be able to teach you one-on-one. All right, that's where I'll be able to teach you one-on-one. So that's how you can start in Forex trading. Those are the 2 ways you can use to start in Forex trading. One hour or 4 hours, which is best? It depends on the strategy you're talking about. So BJ, I can't really say because I don't know the strategy you're talking about. So there's a strategy that 1 hour time frame will be the best. There's another strategy that a 4 hour time frame will be the best. So it just depends on the strategy. You need to specify your strategy. How does candlesticks on the chart form? Price. Candlestick just depict the price within that period. It's as simple as that, all right? Candlesticks just depict the price within that period. So for example, if we are looking at say the 1 minute time frame and the candle opens and closes, it means that candle within that period of opening and close, it was within 1 minute. If it's 4 hours, that candle is going to take 4 hours to open and close. So let me just share my screen to show you guys something really quick. Let me put my training view on, and then I'm going to show you guys something really quick about this candlestick formation, something you guys need to know on candlestick formation. Okay, let me just load my screen real quick. All right. Let me drop it on 1 hour. Okay. There you go. There you go. I'm seeing a wonderful signal on the 1 hour time. Let me share my screen. You guys are going to see that signal with me. Share my screen. Present. Share my screen. Guys, make sure you stay to the end of this live session. I'm going to be sharing a lot of secrets with you guys. All right. Also invite someone. Like and share with someone. Like and share with someone, please. Let's get to 200 viewers. Okay, let me see. All right. I hope you guys can see my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen on the comment section. Just looking at this chart, I want someone on this comment section. I want to see if you guys, or I want to see if I have some traders on this comment section, or even Golub University students on this comment section. Just looking at this chart, what signal it's already forming? All right, can you explain in detail? Just looking at this chart, this is USD JPY 1 hour time frame. Just looking at this chart, which signal is already forming? Where are you going to buy? Where are you going to place your stop loss? Where are you going to place your take profit? If you're someone who has been following me, there's one strategy I've been sharing, which I even used that. I came on live with that strategy, got a funded account, purchased an account with FTMO, and passed it live on camera with that same strategy. So can someone explain to me in the comment section what that strategy is and what he or she is looking on this currency pair, the one you're seeing on your screen? That's very, very clear. Can someone explain to me? Let me see if you guys even follow my content. All right, I'm here because of you guys. So let me not pretend as if if you guys were not here, I wouldn't be here. So please, someone should explain in details. Explain in details what you are seeing, not just a buy or a sell signal. Explain in details what you are seeing. Let me mirror my camera so that I can face the other direction. Let me just wait settings again. Okay. So I'm looking for someone who is going to explain in details what is happening. I'm looking for someone. Okay, I can see a lot of attempts on the comment section. I like this. I can see a lot of attempts on the comment section. I like this. Let me put this screen this way. I'm going to switch my screen so that will be as if I'm looking at the computer from this other angle. Because now it looks as if I'm looking at the computer from a very weird angle. So let me put it this side. Ah, perfect. Looks better. Looks better now. So let me see what people are saying. All right. So let's see. Let's see on the comment section what people are saying about this setup right here. Okay, let me see. GUMV arrow. Yes, the strategy is GUMV arrow. So Wembuso, you're correct. The strategy is GUMV arrow. So let me look for someone who explain it very clearly. The strategy is GUMV arrow. Means I have people here who have been following me up. I'm very, very proud, guys. I'm very, very proud. Okay, this one says buy signal. Good. You buy after the formation of the last candle if it bullish stop loss below the recent low. Perfect. Matibidi Lucky. Simple explanation. In trading, sometimes you only make money if you keep things very simple. Don't complicate yourself. This is someone I can see is going to be very, very profitable. He keeps things very simple. All right. He keeps things very, very simple. So that's simple. Simple buy signal. I can see buy signal is already forming. You buy after the formation of the last candle if it closed bullish. Your stop loss goes below the candle and you go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So if I go back to trading view, this is what lucky is. So that's the buy signal, guys. That's the buy signal. the buy signal is simple, even though the candle is very, very small, but we'll follow our plan. We'll follow our plan. Our most significant swing low is here, so that this strategy is having a 3-step process. Am I still sharing my screen? Let me see. Why did it stop? Why did my screen stop? Let me put it back, guys. Let me put it back. I don't know why it stopped. I don't know why it stopped. Perfect. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen again. So from what Lucky is explaining, the strategy is simple. It's a 3-step strategy. You first of all confirm the market direction. You can confirm here that the market is bullish. You can see very clearly the market has been bullish right here. But we would have entered right here, go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Now, since the market is still bullish, where will you need to jump into this trade again? You jump into the trade at a pullback to your fibs level. So to plug your fibs level is simple. We would have just used, this is our most recent swing low. Our most recent swing high is right there. So once the market has pushed back to our 38% level, 50 or 61 and close bullish, we enter on the buy. So we would have entered on the buy somewhere here. By the close of this bullish candle, this is more like a doji candle. This is more like how do they call this candle? All right, like a pin bar. This is more like a pin bar, right? So in most cases, you can ignore pin bars because I need to see the candle closing bullish. So this is not looking like a bullish candle to me. But if it close like a bullish, maybe my take profit, my entry would have been there, stop loss here, and I go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That's it. That would have been the typical trade. So now I wouldn't have taken this one because this is not looking like a bullish candle to me. Still looking like the market might continue pushing down. So that's a signal I would have taken with that strategy. Anyway, we're not talking about the strategy. Let's talk about candlestick formation. All right. I'm going to make this very, very big so that you guys can see. Very, very big. Let's make this very, very big. Something you guys need to understand about candlestick formation. I want this as big as possible. Okay. Okay. We're going to take two candles, for example, right? We're going to take a bullish candle and we're going to take a bearish candle. In trading, okay, let me put my computer this way. So in trading, we have two kinds of candles. When it comes to, or in trading, we have two major types of chart. We have what we call the candlestick chart and we have what we call the line chart. So the candlestick chart is more precise because you can easily see where the market opened, where the market closed, the high and the low of that period. So that's why most people use the candlestick chart, all right? And for the candlestick chart, the first thing you need to notice is what they call the time frame. If you can check up here, the time frame I'm using is the 1 hour time frame. Meaning for one of these candles to open and close, it's going to take 1 hour. If it was a 50-minute time frame, it means for one of these candles to open and close, it's going to take 15 minutes. So I hope I'm clear on that one. Now, there are 4 things you need to know when it comes to a candlestick. Those 4 things, if you are talking about a bullish candle, so a bullish candle is just a candle that's where the market is going up. If the market is going up and the candle closes, where the close price is higher than the open price, then that's called a bullish candle. So I don't want to use colors because you might choose a different color on your side. So that's a bullish candle. So in our case, you can see this is a bullish candle. So for a bullish candle, where the price open is called the open price. So this is going to be our open. All right. I don't know if I can write it clearly. Our open price. So this one is going to be our open price. Where that candle close is going to be called our close price. So you need to understand this close price. And remember, before that candle closed here, it went up and printed the high of that period, the high of that period. So it's called the high price. So that high price was here. So that one is now known as our high price. And even before it closes here, there was a time it even went below the open price. And you can see a small wick right here. So that small wick is known as the close price. All right, so that's what they call the candlestick anatomy. The candlestick anatomy, you need 4 things: the open, the close, the high, and the low. That's it. All right. Now let's assume the market was selling. Let's assume the market was selling and we have a bearish candle. The bearish candle is where the open price is, the close price is lower than the open price. All right. So in our case, we're going to be using this candle right here. So this was our open price for this candle. So this is our open price. This is our close price for this particular candle right here. But before it closed, this was a high. The higher price the candle closed was right here. That was the high price the candle closed, and this was the lowest price the candle closed. So this one will be our high and our low. So that is it. So that's the anatomy of a candlestick, how a candlestick is formed, how a candlestick is propagated throughout the particular time frame. If we're using the 1 minute time frame, it means each of these sticks right here, each of these candles is going to represent 1 minute. If you're using a daily time frame, it means each of these candles is going to represent the daily time frame. So I hope I'm very, very clear on that. That's something you guys have asked, and I wanted to clarify on that. Okay, I can see you guys still have many. There were still many explanations for the strategy. That's perfect. It shows many of you guys watch my videos. That's perfect. That's perfect. Woo. That's perfect. So this person says, let me remove. This person says, this is a buy signal because the market pulled back in our 2 moving averages, and also Fibonacci show us that the market is on buy. Just we wait for the candle to close. Perfect. It shows you guys watch all my videos. It also shows you guys follow me on TikTok. All right, make sure you're following me on all those platforms so that you don't miss any of my content. All right, so that you don't miss any of my content. Okay. Okay, let's see. So I hope I'm clear. Please, if I answer your question and everything is clear, let me know in the comment section. And if you have a follow-up question, you can also let me know on the comment section. The trend is an uptrend now. The trend move are going to hit the buy block to form a higher high. Okay, this is an explanation for a different strategy, not GU MVR, not GU MVR. It's a price move impulsive leading to fair value gap. So the price wants to return to fill the gap before going up. Okay, still the same explanation. Whether you are using fair value gap, smart money concept, jumping over the fence strategy, whatsoever strategy, it doesn't matter. You should be able to see price action the same way. That's the most important thing. All right. You should be able to see price action the same way. Perfect. Please make sure you like, and share the video with someone. Make sure you like and share the video with someone. Make sure you like and share the video with someone. Please make sure you like and share the video with someone. Sorry to John Lade, is there a buy signal? We already analyzed that already. What about the Lionheart challenge? We've already explained LFP is on pause because we are outsourcing a new MT5 saver. So as soon as we are able to guarantee a new MT5 saver, we're going to be back up and running. It's about a 5K foreign account giveaway. I won on the spin, but didn't yet get it. You didn't get it because, like I said, LFP is on pause. So once LFP is back up and running, when we secure a new saver, then you're going to be able to have your account. Euro JPY. I don't know what it means. Someone just write Euro JPY. What's happening to Euro JPY? Please, at least be explicit on your question so that I can know how. To assist you. Okay. Basically, the great GMV tells us that the market is bullish. GU Films gives us a good discount price to enter the trend continuation. Perfect. Same explanation. Advise me, I want to buy a funded account. Okay. I would have said check out Lionheart funding program, but as of now, we are paused because Lionheart funding program is looking for a new MT5 saver. All right. So the next program I can recommend for you to buy, just use the same one I'm using right now, which is FTMO. All right, I'm going to share my FTMO screen with you guys just to show you guys some few trades I have up and running. All right, so let me just load here to see what I can share with you guys. I'm just signing into my FTMO account so that I can share some stuff with you guys to also show you guys how you can buy accounts, right? To also show you guys how you can purchase accounts. I'm logging into the account right now. 98, okay, let's just leave it like that. Okay. All right, I'm going to share this one with you guys just so you guys can see what's happening right here. Let's see. Let me share my screen so that I can share my FTMO account with you guys. I'm also going to be sharing some tips on how to get funded while I share my FTMO account with you guys. Okay, I'm sharing my screen right now. Okay, so this is just my FTMO account, as you guys know. So I currently have, I think I have 3 accounts at the level of funded, all 100K accounts, which there's one that I passed live on camera, you guys saw. And I think I have one still at the challenge phase. This one, I was already up by almost 105,000, but today's not looking so good. I'm back to $104,500, right? So that's a challenge. If I go on my live, you're going to see that one. And then verification means that's funded. You can see on the verification is phase 2, and on phase 2, I've already made 5%. Phase 2, you just need to make 5%. That's why for today, I opened just one trade today, which was 0.01 loss side, just because I'm waiting for minimum trading days. Let me show you guys the credentials on this one. This one is funded. This is an example of a funded account. So you guys can get some inspiration from this, right? It's already funded. So let me open this one. Let me just go on live metrics so that you guys can see it live. Get some motivation, guys. Get some inspiration. It's not rocket science. You can do it. I'm loading my screen so that you guys can see. Okay. This is my computer right here. I think I'm going to hide these comments since they might cover. Let me just hide these comments since they might cover some of the info. Okay, so as you can see up there, that's verification, meaning that's phase 2. That's verification, phase 2. I've already hit the target, which is I just needed to make $5,000. So the target, what I've made on this account, I've already made. If I go down here, 5,000. Where's the total again? $5,248. That's it. $5,284. And I only traded this account. I made everything in one day, meaning I passed phase 2 on this account in one day. I'm going to be showing you guys all the trade, and then I'll also explain the strategy I use on this account. So on May 27, I took a total of 15 trades. So I was very, very active in the market, in and out, in and out, in and out. So yeah, I took a total of 15 trades that day, and I made $5,000. That was it. Passed the account. I was very, very active. That was on Monday. I think that was on Tuesday. Yeah, I was very, very super active. I was sharing my trades on TikTok, sharing on Instagram. So this account was passed same day. All right. Sorry. And as you guys know, if you pass the account the same day, you're going to be funded the same day. You need to wait for a minimum trading days. For FTMO, is 4 trading days. I'm actually using FTMO, nothing affiliated with me, so that you guys can see. I've used it to pass challenges on live, use it to get payouts on live. You guys have seen it. So when I come here and I'm talking sometimes, you guys will just know I'm not just, I'm not just making empty noise. I'm talking based on I'm talking about something I do best, something I'm the best at it. All right. When it comes to what I do, I'm the best at it. Right. I can say that very proudly. So the next day, I just opened this trade just so you know, to fulfill that one trading day, you just need to open just one trade. So I just open like 0.00, so that, and then today is the 29, and I just open again 0.01 lot size. Tomorrow I'm just going to open again 0.01, and boom, the 100K account is going to be handed over to me, and boom, I just start trading on it. After 15 days, I'll request a payout. Target payout on this one is $15,000. So long as I hit $15,000 on this 100K, I'm going to be requesting my payout, and I'll keep you guys posted on everything, start to finish. All right. Let me show you guys some. Okay, you guys wanted to see the trades. These are all the trades on the account. You can see these are all the trade, winning. I always started having these losses when I had already passed the challenge, and I was just opening the few trades just so I can have some few trades up and running, right? So let's go to the first, even the second page. Let's go to the next page so that you guys can see. Look at this. Can you look at this? So I was trading JPY. I was trading gold. Most of the trades were on gold. Look at this. Profit, like magic. Profit. So I was just trading JPY and gold on this one. Okay? JPY and gold. That's it. JPY and gold. So those are all the trades. Look at this. 1,600, 2,000, and boom. We already passed this one. And the strategy I was using here was I was using GU MVRO on gold and GU ORB on CAD JPY. All the strategies I've told you guys on my page. Let me go to the account which I'm using, strictly GU MVRO. This other account right here, which is still on the challenge phase. And I'm going to pass it. I'm not scared about that. I'm going to get to phase two, just 5%. And I'm going to pass it. I bought a total of 3 accounts. I lost one already. So I lost one. One is already funded, and one is already on phase. One is already funded. One is still on phase 1, already up by almost about $4,000. So the one I lost, if you check here, I already removed that one from my list. So this one for today, on this one, we are down $1,400. So let me just go on live so that we can see. And I'll also explain the trades I'm taking on this account. All right. Unrealized profit on this one is almost about $800. Look at my equity on this one. It's a struggle. I was up with $108,000 on Tuesday, and then it started dropping. All right. I almost passed phase 1 on Tuesday, and then it started dropping. If it was on other programs like funding pips where I just need to make 8%, then the challenge would have already been passed ever since. That is it. Let me see. I've been trading this one for almost about 5 days. For about 5 or 6 days. Let's go down. Okay, I've been trading this one for 7 days. 7 days, and I'm going to show you guys. These are the open trades I have. I'm actually trading 3 pairs on this one, and everything I'm trading on this one is GUORB. The strategy I'm using here, GUORB, no other strategy. All right. So I'm trading XAUUSD, CAD-JPY, and Great Britain Pound USD on this particular one. And there's something you guys must have noticed on my trades. If I'm trading 2 pairs, what I choose is I choose non-correlated pairs. All right, I make sure I choose non-correlated pairs. For example, CAD-JPY and XAUUSD is non-correlated. CAD-JPY and Great Britain Pound USD is non-correlated. All right, so I choose non-correlated pairs so that at any point in time, I won't just have a situation where if all trades are not going my way, I'll just go down and hit my stop loss, and maybe I might lose 5% of the day. So I don't want that to happen. So always trade non-correlated pairs. All right. I'm talking about non-correlated pairs. I actually have a spreadsheet which I'm going to share with you guys. It's something I actually use for even my I have a lot of systems that I use in trading. So I'm going to share something very quick with you guys right here. Just look at my screen. You might want to take down some notes on what I want to share with you guys. All right. Anytime, if you feel like you want to trade 2 or 3 currency pairs at the same time, use the combination I want to show you guys now. Use the combination I want to show you guys. So you might want to come back to this video after to watch and take note on everything I'm going to be showing you guys. All right. So let me share my screen here. And this is my spreadsheet that I record a lot of things. A lot of things here are not going to make sense to you guys because, like I said, I record a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot of things. All right. So grown on, I'm just going to start here. So this one, Great Britain pound, I just have something here that says group pairs, pair number 2 and note. Like if I'm trading, if that day I say, okay, on this account, I'm going to be trading 2 currency pairs. All right. Then this will help me to know which currency pairs to pair. As easy as that. If I say I want to trade 3 currency pairs that day, let me just show. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Okay, I think I'm back on this one. All right. So if I say I want to trade 3 currency pairs that day, if I just scroll to the right, you can see this is pair of 2. This is, I think this one should be pair of 3. All right, pair of 3 right here. So if that day I say, okay, I'm going to be trading 3 currency pairs this day, then this is how I'm going to group those currency pairs. If I even say, okay, today I'm going to be trading 4 currency pairs, you see, this is how I'm going to be grouping those 4 currency pairs. They have to be non-correlated, meaning at any point in time, I can't just have all those 4 currency pairs going down to hit my stop loss. Even if I'm risking 1% per trade, I can't just have those 4 currency pairs losing 4% at once. It doesn't happen. It will never happen because of the power of this combination which I've put together, right? So let's just say in most cases, you want to trade 2 currency pairs for that day. Then this is the combination for you. Let me go again like this. This is the combination for 2 currency pairs. You see, currency pair number 1, you can trade CAD JPY combined with gold. There's still a screenshot here which you guys can see, all right? Let me just make this big. Or you guys can see just the way it is, right? CAD JPY and gold. So a commodity, you are trading a commodity versus Forex. There's no way there's ever going to be correlation because you are trading a currency pair and a commodity. So there's not going to be any correlation. They're going to be operating differently. There's never going to be a situation where you just see the market will just bomb down and go and hit your stop loss. No. 2, Great Britain pound, JPY, and US 500. US 500, very liquid, very nice. If you learn how to trade indices, very nice. Euro USD, US 30. US 30, also very nice. The 3 indices you should trade. After these 3 indices, don't try any other one. You're not going to make money. US 100, which is also known as NASDAQ. US 30 and US 500. These 3 indices, those are the 3 indices you can learn how to trade, or the 3 indices you can trade. All right. Number 4, Great Britain pound, USD, and US tech. This one, you are trading a currency pair versus a tech index. Remember, NASDAQ just represents the top 100 tech companies in the United States. So there's never going to be a situation where those currency pairs are going to be, those tech companies are going to be beefing, or they're going to be correlated with currency pairs. No. US 30 or gold, an index, and a safe haven. So a safe haven is what? XAU USD. You are pairing it with what? With gold. Make sure you take note of all of this. US 500, Great Britain pound, JPY. You are pairing an index with a currency. Gold and Great Britain pound, USD. You are pairing a meta and an FX instrument. Euro USD and US tech. You are pairing euro. You are pairing FX and a tech-based currency pair. The same index and for so everything is there. You see. And let's say, okay, you want to trade 3 currency pairs. There are sometimes I used to trade even 4. If you can see here, if it says active, it means I have an account somewhere in one prop firm somewhere, or maybe in my private account somewhere that is using this combination. So where you see on my status active, this is something I just designed for myself. I have a lot here that you guys can see. Look, let me just show you guys. Look, even can you see this? I have a lot of that are this custom design. Look at that. I have a lot here that are custom design. Look at all of, even with my bots, I have a lot of more than 15 robots that are built, that are custom built, that are used. You can see everything there. Although you're not going to understand what's happening. Patrick's for lot size estimate. Look at this. Look at this. You can just come in here, but just put a figure. It will estimate how much I can make in a year. So starting with 10,000 with this strategy, I can make $1 million in a year. So the graph is even there. So this is just having basic knowledge of Excel or basic knowledge of Google Sheets. So you put everything there. So if you want to trade 3 currency pairs, this is the one you have to focus on. You see. So this one, you see, this one is simple. Where is it again? 1, 2. Okay, it's actually this one. I'll need to go to the left. Okay, this one is more big. So this one, you can see number 1, CAD JPY, XAUUSD and US 500. So you are trading JPY cross plus gold plus an index. There's going to be 0.000 correlation. Great Britain pound JPY, AUD USD and USD tech. You are trading again JPY cross plus gold plus a tech index. Very, very important. So Euro USD, US30 and XAUUSD. You are trading USD pair plus the Dow plus gold. Zero correlation. And if I check here, let's see if I have anyone active on this particular one. Oh, which one was it? I think it was this one. I need to just go back to check. Let me just put this guy so that I can. Okay, it was this one. So right here, I don't even need to go far. If you can check here, I actually have one active with 3 currency pairs, which is XAUUSD, Great Britain pound USD, and USD tech. It's active, meaning I have it on maybe my 100K account or my 200K account, private account, or maybe on one other firm. I have one account that those are the pairs that are working. All right. So this helped me. There's some days I used to trade even 4 pairs. If I say, okay, I want to trade 4 pairs, maybe I'm risking 1% per trade. It happens. Maybe I'm risking 1% per trade. And then what I'll do is I just come here. This one is going to guide me on 4 pairs. You see. So you have CAD JPY, XAU USD, USD 500, and Great Britain pound USD. So I'm using JPY cross plus gold plus an index plus USD pair. Zero correlation. And this one, I think I have an active. I have an active account on this one as well. So I actually have an account somewhere in one of my brokerage accounts or one of my pro firm accounts that is having CAD JPY, Euro USD, USD 30, and gold in one account. Trading. If I open that particular account, you actually see a trade up and running. You actually see all the 4 trades up and running. And in that way, maybe I just risk 0.5% of my account per trade, or maybe I risk 1% of my account per trade. Meaning, even if I'm risking 1% of my account per trade, and they are all up and running, all the 4 trades, I have signals on all the 4 currency pairs. It means there's never going to be a situation where I'll just lost 4% of my account. By the time another one is losing about 0.5%, the other one will be up about 1%. The time another one is losing about 1% of my account, the other one will be up about 2%. So you see, my account will always be like this, and you see the equity curve going like this. That's why when I showed you guys the sample equity curve, you saw it was almost like this. There are going to be drops. You're going to lose some trade, but at the end of the day, you should have an equity curve that looks like this, not like this. I know most of you guys watching me, your equity curves are like this. So no, the equity curve should be like this. Should be like, I even watched one video, I think it's a Ugandan minister of finance. So he said, now you don't need to worry, the economy is, all right. So that's how your equity curve should look. Your equity curve should be not, you understand, should be like this. You're gonna have bumps. You're gonna have bumps on the way, but it should have a positive incline. That's the equity curve. And all of this, you will only be able to achieve that if you understand all of this. Look at this. I have all of this recorded. I have all of this. I can go back. I can see everything that's happening. I can simulate. This is simulation to even see what would have happened if this happened. What would have happened if this happened? You see, I have accounts, this, a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot. You see. So I hope you guys have picked something from that particular one. And okay. So based on what we've explained, any question, drop it on the comment section. Any question, drop it on the comment section. Based on what I've shown you guys, my live accounts, showed you guys live trades we're taking, showed you guys live funded accounts, showed you guys live payouts. Is it live payout you want to see? So any question, drop it on the comment section. Any question, drop it on the comment section. But have not give us about FT Max. I don't know what's that. I don't know what's that. Please ask your question in a way I can understand. Why do you give out all this for free? Can someone answer him? Someone who knows my history, someone who knows my history, please, can you answer this guy? Someone who knows my history. Someone who knows the reason why I do what I do. Someone who knows the reason why I do what I do. I believe most of you guys have been following me for a while, right? Someone who knows the reason why I do what I do. So he's asking, why do you give all of this for free? Bro, what is the catch? There's no cash. What is the catch? Why do you give all of this for free? Someone who has been following me for a while, please, 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 please answer this for me. I love you guys. I love you guys. You guys follow me with precision. You guys follow me, I don't know, because someone must be there who has been following you for forever. Someone must be there who's going to answer the question. Look, all the check comment section. People have already answered. I don't even need to answer the question again. Everyone in the comment section is having it correct. Everyone in the comment section is having it correct. Everyone. 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 Wow, wow, wow. I'm so. That's the reason why I do what I do. I come here, I can speak for 3 hours without getting tired because of this. People are making money. People are becoming financially free from my free teaching. All right. So let's see some replies. So he said, you have agreement with God, which is true, which is very, very true. It's because it's the promise you made to God. Yes, it's a promise I made to God. He told God when he become profitable, he will train people for free. Yes. Yes. So I remember, this is my story, something you guys, maybe some of you guys don't know. When I got into Forex trading in 2014, 2015, it took me about 3 years to be profitable. The first year was the hardest year of my life. That was the first and the last time I ever had suicidal thoughts because I blew everything I had, including my life savings. Everything I had, including I had businesses, I had cyber cafes, I had tomato farm because I used to study. I studied agricultural economics and agribusiness at the University of Boya, Cameroon. I have a 4-year degree. I have a degree in agricultural economics and agribusiness, master's in international business and finance. So when I was studying my degree, when I was doing my degree, now I told myself that, okay, let me start something which I can be able to make money along the side. I had cyber cafes. And then from my cyber cafe, since I was on the internet 24/7, I was like, okay, let me look for something that can enable me to make money so that I can pay my internet, which I'm using on my cyber cafe. That's how I stumbled into Forex trading. Then I blew everything the first year. That was the highest year, or that was the year I learned how to pray. I still pray the highest. All right, I'm someone, I don't joke, I still pray the highest. I'm still very close to God. But that year was the year that brought me the closest to God. Because I promised you, I was like, okay, God, I know you are training me. That's why you can pray for $1 million sometimes, for $1 million, and God wouldn't give you that $1 million. He's not giving that $1 million because he loves you. He knows that if he gives you that $1 million, that's going to be the cost of your debt. How many of you guys will still be here if you have $1 million? Not up to 10%. You wouldn't even be here. Maybe you'll be somewhere lavishing that money. You'll be somewhere in a Ferrari that maybe it's going to go jam and crash and kill you somewhere, you know. So you might pray for something sometimes, and God denying is not a refusal, but it's preservation. All right. God denying that thing is not delaying, it's not refusing, but it's preserving you, it's grooming you, it's training you. So I went through that period. I'm like, okay, God, I already understand that now you want me to be matured, to be able to manage this money. I want to get into Forex trading. I know now you train me. I know this. At least I was born with nothing. I was born poor. I already know how the people down there feel. So I wouldn't be able to molest them if I have that money. I will use my money for good. I'll be able to help the poor. I'll be able to impact another person's life. So God, let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. I promise if you make me profitable in Forex trading, I'm going to teach other people how to trade Forex for free. I promise if you impact my life, I'm going to impact another person's for free. I'm going to impact another person's life. That was the promise I made with God. And that was the prayer I used to pray every day. Father, impact my life to impact another person's life. Bless me to bless another person. Teach me this Forex trading and I promise I'll teach another person. That's a deal. I want us to have this deal. You can actually have a deal with God. And if you say it sincerely, trust me, God is going to answer your prayer. So 3 years after that, I became profitable. And it's like, okay, I left Cameroon. Media, I became profitable. I left Cameroon in 2019. And when I got to South Africa, I was like, okay, I remember you have that voice in me was keep telling me, remember you have a deal with God. God, he made you profitable because he knows you're going to be using it for a good cause. He knows you're going to be training other people. So that was when I opened my YouTube channel. And immediately it became one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in the niche of Forex trading because I had a mission. And when I opened that YouTube channel, it took me 6 months. It took me 6 months to create a flip, not a flip. It took me 6 months to create a free playlist of 84 videos. 84 videos for free. So on my YouTube channel, just go there. The playlist is still there. Forex beginner to pro or Forex beginner to advanced or something. The playlist is still there. So it took me 6 months to create that playlist before I could even think of maybe opening Golov University. Golov University was open because of you guys' requests. When people will go through that free playlist, now they'll start making money. Now they're profitable. They're like, we want to be in an inner circle where you have. We want to have you like our mentor. I was like, okay. I started on Patreon. I used to have a Patreon community where those were a community of my mentees. People at least were trading together, talking together. I could guide them. Then after that, we started growing again. It's even from Patreon that I formed Patrex Pro. Because back then, the robot was just called Sniper Pro. Then when I gave it to my Patreon community members, I was like, what name can I call this bot before I give it absolute? Let me just call it Patrex Pro, you see. So from Patreon, and then we moved to Discord, open Golov University, and today we are one of the fastest growing academies, Forex Academy you can think of. So it started for free. That's why anyone who comes to me, how can I learn Forex trading? I used to say one thing, you have two options. Start for free on my YouTube channel, and then if you want to take it more serious or in the future, you can also join me in Golov University. If you want a more structured system, if you want to be my mentee, if you want to be in my inner circle. That was a goal. And that goal, that mission was for me to create that free playlist first. And it's still going to be there. It's still there. It's changing people's life. People are going to be coming. People are coming profitable on a daily basis. So that is why I do what I do. All right. That is why I do what I do, because that is where the joy comes from. That is where the happiness comes from. Coming here and seeing people say, oh, I just got funded using GUORB. I just got funded using GUMVRO. GU stands for Golov University. All those strategies are the strategies I taught in Golov University. But I brought it to the internet, to YouTube, and I taught them for free. So coming here and say, so, oh, I just got my payout. If you guys are on Discord, you must have seen, you see this on a daily basis. I just got my payout using GUORB. I just got my payout using GUMVRO. I just became profitable using. That's the joy, bro. That's why I do what I do. All right. That's the reason behind me doing what I do on a daily basis. Because I just showed you guys a lot. I mean, that guy was surprised, like, why do you do all of this for free? And now you know. If you didn't know, now you know. All right. I'm glad. Godi, have you got a charity center? In talking about charity, since I became profitable, since I made that deal with God, I've never celebrated any of my birthdays in a club or maybe in a tavern. All my birthdays have been celebrated in orphanages. Most of you guys may right from Cameroon, from Yaoundé, BMRC, Simbok. All my birthdays have been celebrated in orphanages. I give back to the community. Remember, part of that deal was to impact to change people's life with the blessings I'm going to get from Forex trading. Part of that deal I had with God is to impact other people's lives, to give back. I understand how the people down there feel. I understand how the people who don't have anything feel. All right. So what I can give back, I do as possible to give it back. So that's something I still do. Because he promised, it was a covenant. Okay, perfect. It was a covenant he had with God. I'm glad you guys follow me line by line. I'm glad. Your GUORB makes me more confident. Thank you. Can you see? That's what I'm talking about. That's why, trust me, if you were me, you can sit here for the whole day and you won't get tired. Seeing stuff like this, seeing people getting financially free, seeing people creating wealth through Forex trading because of the knowledge you gave them for free. You won't ever, all right? You will never get tired. So hope you are leaving a legacy at our root. Perfect, perfect. Sorry, boss, I mean the funded account. Okay. Please just make your question to be clear so that I can be able to assist you. It's Euro USD on buy. I haven't checked, which last time we checked, it was still pulling against us. So last time we checked, it was still pulling against us. So until we get a good confirmation on the buy before we can be thinking of buying. For now, no. How do you set your FIBS retracement setting? Mine is quite different from yours. Just use the default. Don't change things. Use trading view and just use the default settings. Just go on the Fibonacci tool and use the default setting. Guys, I'm going to turn off my heater right now. The room is very, very hot right now. It's winter in South Africa, and you know we need to keep ourselves warm. That's why I have all of these. It's winter. We need to keep ourselves warm. All right. So just use the default. Use the default. That is my course. That is my course. What is that? What is that? My destiny helper. Your destiny helper should be God, right? That's number one. That's number one. Before you want to even consider a human your destiny helper, you should start with God. It was a promise from God. Okay. I studied agricultural economics in Nigerian University with second class. Wow, second class. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's what I studied in Cameroon. In Cameroon, it's a 4-year degree. So I have a degree in agricultural economics and agribusiness. All right. Agricultural economics and agribusiness. That's why when I was in the university, I had tomato farms. I used to raise chickens. I had my chicken farms. I had my tomato farm because I wanted to practice what I was studying. Let me just quickly check my to-do list to see what time our live session is going to end. Whoa. Our live session was supposed to end about 30 minutes ago. But anyway, we're going to end at 12 my time. So we're going to be ending our live session in about 20 minutes. Okay. Edit YouTube. Yo, see my to-do list is almost, if I show you guys my to-do list, is from when I get to the office to 4 p.m. Non-stop. Non-stop. I guess he just know you have known a lot of things. I was asked to pay for a year with you. Free God will continue to grow. Oh, for a year for free, God will continue to bless you. Thank you so much. May God continue to bless you as well. MSS in Economic Development and MBA. Wow. Deborah, that's perfect. That's perfect. You're packed with knowledge. You're packed with the knowledge. Okay. The reason you are doing it is not because of anything you told God to bless you with the knowledge so that impacting others, and this fight is against poverty, not one another. Yes, that's true. That's so he just said the reason I do what I do is because I had a deal with God and I promised God, if you make me profitable, I'm going to teach other people how to trade Forex trading for free. And the fight, I like this, the fight is with poverty, not with one another. That's why you will never, bro, if you think you are going on the internet looking for vlogs where they're talking about in the message where they say this Forex guru versus this Forex guru, this one drive this one drive this one, you will never see me there, bro. They've tried pinching me. Some have tried creating videos. They want me to reply, but you never, bro. The fight is with poverty, not with one another. There's enough money in the Forex market. The fight. This one say I'm the best in Africa. This one say I'm the best in the whole world. I'm the best in Asia. Bullshit, bro. I don't care. The only competition I have the only competition I have is with myself. Am I in a place better than where I was yesterday? I know when it comes to what I do, I'm the best. I can't have God on my side and be second. All right. I can't have a deal with God and be second at what I do. It's no, bro. It's a no. I'm the best at what I do. So I don't go around saying, no, this one is the best in Africa. This one is the best in the world. This one is no, bro. I want to see my result through people. How many people have transformed? How many people have had? How many people have achieved my mission? All right. So that's it. You never see me trying to beef in and do, this one do this. Not in the Master God love. Maybe an impersonated version of Ndema Love, not this one. I started being profitable the day I started putting interest on your video. Like that. When are you going to trade live with us? Maybe on another live session. We might jump on a live again on Monday or Tuesday, and hopefully on that one we might be trading. So this one was more beginner focus. All right. Let's not forget about our beginners. Please teach me Forex. I'm going to teach someone too. My YouTube channel is right there. Start on my YouTube channel. Start with a playlist of almost about 86 videos. Good. Thank you. In the Excel hash pairs, are you illustrated in the GU note? You say in the Excel, okay, in the Excel hash pairs, as you illustrated in the GU note. Please, MB, please ask your question, be explicit so that I can be able to assist you. I pray I actually reach this level someday. You reach, so long as you are genuine on what you do, so long as you have pure intentions, you're gonna get there. There's no magic, you're gonna get there. Just be patient. It took me 3 years. And now it's 10 years of doing the same thing. That means 7 years of being profitable. Why are you not reaching 200 today? And maybe you guys are not sharing a lot. You guys are not sharing my videos a lot. Or maybe I didn't even announce yesterday that I was going to go live on YouTube. I just randomly pop up. Maybe that's why. I just randomly pop up and I was like, okay, let's go live on YouTube. So please share the video with someone, like the video and share with someone, Mr. Ndema's will help me with a fund account, free and knowledge. That's another thing. Please don't go around on the internet looking for people who are going to give you a free funded account, because at that point in time, you're going to be handicapped along the way. You're going to be handicapped along the way in the sense that anytime someone gives you something for free, you are handicapped in one way or the other. All right. So always have something invested. It can be your time, it can be your money. Your brain tends to find more value on something you have something invested in. All right. So if you already know how to trade, use my YouTube channel. It's for free to even start how to trade. Now, when you become profitable, you can get a 9-to-5 job. Working just 1 or 2 hours a day or just a day, you can afford yourself money to buy a profit account. And start from small. Trust me, if someone is giving you that profit account for free, you're going to blow it because you're not going to value it. All right. It means you don't even have a strategy which is working yet. If you have your strategy that you believe in, get a 9-to-5 job, and then start with a small account. That's the best way to go. Please, which moving average, where are you going to trade? I already answered that. You are selfless leader. Keep growing. God's love is already in your name. Thank you so much. That's my name, God love. That's my name. There's a reason for that name. All right. That name is destiny. I will go check for depression. I will go check for it. Depression want to kill me. Lack of money is making me take certain thingy. Take it easy. Lack of patience is usually, most of the time, lack of patience is equivocal to lack of money. You lack patience. You won't go through this process if you don't have the patience. You won't go through this process if you don't have the patience. Please, I have so much passion for Forex trading. Please, can you be my guidance? My YouTube channel is there. You can start with my YouTube channel, learn for free. And if you want me to be your mentor and if you want to take it more serious, then you can check out Deriv University, where you're going to be part of my inner circle. Master, mention my name, pray for me, and let the anointing flow into our help and impact other people too. So, Bartholomew, Bartholomew Elijah. Elijah is actually my son's name. Bartholomew Elijah. Just having the same name with my son is already powerful, right? So trust me, I can see you succeeding very well in Forex trading. I can see you helping other people. That's what I should say. I can see you helping other people through Forex trading. I can see you creating wealth through Forex trading, and in the process, helping other people do the same. So one thing that will help you to get there is patience. Please don't follow the social dilemma. What do I mean by social dilemma? Where you just follow everything on the internet. There's too much pressure on the internet. Don't follow everything you see online. All right. Not everyone claiming is making money from Forex trading on the internet is making money from Forex trading. So calm down, learn your strategy. It might take you some time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket at the start where you just abandon everything and focus on Forex. No, go get your 9-to-5 job, go get something that is surviving you, and only do Forex trading along the side for the first 1 or 2 years. That's it. You're going to definitely get to that point. Boss, how can I get it funded? I already explained. Has any Forex trading hours been moved forward, or is just New York Times? Haven't checked. I just have a tool that shows me everything. So please impact my life too positively. I already answered that. Okay. Has a how to scalp in a 5-minute time frame. I have scalping strategies on my page. Please check the scalping strategies on my page. How do I buy a funded account in Cameroon through Momo? I don't know about that. Just get BTC or get crypto. The best, if you're in Cameroon, you want to buy a funded account, get crypto. You can use that BTC in Cameroon to buy crypto in Cameroon. And then you just go to your platform. If you're using FTMO, just go and buy a challenge, choose crypto, and just scan that process. You pay with crypto very fast. Crypto is the best. Is 1 hour preferred time frame for Forex trading? It depends on the strategy we are talking about, right? Depends on the strategy we are talking about. This is difficult here in Cameroon. Lionheart funding program will now move office to UAE. Yes, LFP is officially registered and licensed in the UAE. Right? Lionheart Group has a lot. So you have Lionheart funding program. You also have Lionheart investment, which is the hedge fund. So the offices have been moved to UAE, or the company is registered and licensed by the United Arab Emirates Ministry of Commerce. All right, so we're taking things to the next level. So for now, LFP is paused because we are outsourcing a new server for MT5. Okay, you should have traded futures commodities. Okay, I'm going to check into that. I've actually thought about getting into futures, but I'm so too glued into Forex trading for now, right? Golof, I must reward you someday. You made me profitable without okay, you made me profitable. I studied everything about Forex from your channel. God bless you. You can even stop it here today. You guys have seen it. You guys have seen it. That's it. Let me just save. Let me do this. I'm key funded next. See someone. I key funded next with GUORB. Can you see that someone is getting paid out with GUORB? You guys are ignoring all of this. I key funded next with what? GUORB. Do you think it's advisable to purchase GU course immediately after completing the free YouTube course, or backtest everything? Good. So it depends on you. If you can afford Golof University, then there's no need for you to even go through the free YouTube course, because you're still going to be taught the same thing in Golof University, but in a more advanced way together with other students. So you're going to have a community where you can communicate. You're going to have live sessions with my team, or occasionally with me, myself. So if you can afford Golof University, go straight for Golof University. Have something invested, your brain will tend to find more value in that. All right. So start with Golof University, or start with the free YouTube videos. And if you can afford Golof University, go straight to Golof University. You don't need to go straight to Golof University. Your video was help to me. I've learned all the basics from your channel. Thank you so much. That's why we got this recognition. That's why we got this. You guys know the fake ones and the real ones, right? You guys know this. That's why we got this from YouTube. You can see that's why we got this from YouTube. For those of you guys doubting, I can also purchase that on eBay and do content. It's fake, blah, 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 blah. You can scan this barcode. I'm going to put it there. This came from YouTube. All right. They sent this to me. They were like, you are the fastest growing YouTube channel in Africa. We have this for you as a recognition. And then they sent this to me. Came in this package. Look at this. Came in this package. Recognize your team. Came in this package. We are heading to 1 million very soon. So we're going to be getting this one hopefully this year. And then a letter from, you can pause and read the letter. There's nothing there to hide. A letter from the CEO of YouTube. YouTube CEO. Look at that. YouTube CEO. That's a letter from YouTube CEO. This was last year when we hit 100,000 subscribers last year. Also came with this foam just to protect the plague and all of that. So, like I said, that's the barcode. If you want to, you can also scan the barcode. You see everything about the award. So that is the same channel we're talking about. The same channel that has transformed life. This one right here. Right? This one right here. Someone says, say I have a 100K account. Shall I use 1% with GORB? I'll advise start with 0.5% even. It's not how fast you get funded, but how sure. All right, it's not how fast you get funded. I'll advise you start with 0.5%, and as your experience grows, and then you can then go to 1%. How much is it to study at Golov University? So I'm just going to quickly share my screen so that we can just quickly go through Golov University and see some of the products in Golov University and how you guys can also take advantage of this. The first one we're seeing here, just go on Google and just type Golov University. It's going to take you directly to the website. On the website, you can either enroll in a course, which that's where I'm going to mentor you A to Z. You can check out Patrex Pro, which is the 4 years in a row award-winning 100% AI-powered Forex robots. Right there, you can get a monthly license, a quarterly license, or a yearly license. It's right there. You can see you get a certificate. The bot comes with videos that are going to teach you on how to install, backtest, and use it. You can see testimonials from people who are using the bot. You can see all-in-one Forex robot right there. You can see live examples right there. See the bot taking almost $100,000 to $1 million. Everything on live accounts with verified results. You can use it to pass prop firm accounts. You can see a lot and a lot. Where's the section for prop firms? Just come here, browse through. You're going to see a lot. Which section is this? You can see these are all prop firm accounts that have passed using the robot. You can see many. You can't even count. Many, even right back when we used to still have my Forex fund. You can see. Then you can check, just go through the website, you can learn a lot. Then Golov University course, you click on courses. Click on courses, that's where you're going to be able to enroll in a course. And if you have a question about the course, you just click here, enroll now. You're going to be able to enroll. You can either pay quarterly or once off. If you have a question, you can click on the live chat on the website. There'll always be someone on the website ready to assist you. You can see, check a one-on-one session. If you're just starting, you have no clue, you can book a one-on-one session with me. You can enroll in our Signal service. There's a trading calculator for you, a free trading calculator for you. So if you want to calculate your lot size, you want to calculate the pips you're going to be using, everything, check out our trading calculator as well. It's right there. Free to use, free for you guys. You can affiliate with us. A lot and a lot in Golov University. Full package, one-stop package for you guys. Then there's something I want to explain. I want to explain to you guys again, which is about our hedge fund. The page is going to be on the website very soon. But about the hedge fund, if you want your money to grow for you, this is more for serious investors, right? So if you want us to trade for you, that's the only investment you ever hear me talk about, because it's through our registered and verified hedge fund in the UAE. All right. So check out the link on the video description, and you'll be able to see that link for our hedge fund. Very, very important. I know you might know one or two people who are going to be interested, or even if you're interested for yourself, and then check out the link to apply for our hedge fund, where you can get up to a targeted 10% monthly return on your investment. I was trained by a hedge fund. I know how to manage one very, very successfully. So always check the link on the video description to apply for the investment, or check the link on the link tree on any of my verified social media accounts. Okay, so I just wanted to touch base on those services. Make sure you check them out. Make sure you check them out. Let me see which questions you guys have. We're rounding up. It's true, sometimes I even get headache when I want to do things quickly. Yes, you need patience. The only thing that's going to get you there is patience. The only thing that's going to get you there. All right. Yes, we don't reach 200 because we started the live like 20 minutes after you announced. Okay. I was rounding up with another service before coming live. All right. Okay, guys. So thank you guys so much for being part of this live session today. The video is going to be up on YouTube. You can always come back at any time to watch. We've shared a lot on this video, which you don't have to miss out. So you can always come back to watch the video. You can always share with your wife, with your girlfriend, with your husband, with your spouse, your partner, your friend, your brother, your sister, so that together you guys can be able to learn from all these secrets which I'm pouring out there. Thank you guys so much. And as always, catch you guys on TikTok, catch you guys on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on all pages. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram, you're following me on my TikTok, and join my free Telegram community, please. Join my free Telegram community. The link is on the video. Please, please, please. I almost forgot. Join my free Telegram community. And as always,